like a lot of cheese or a little bit of cheese?
Medium.
Medium.
Medium?
Medium sounds
Says-
perfect.
Cheese, use 1 ounce of cheese.
Ooh, this is about 1 ounce.
How many ounces is this?
It looks about 1 ounce. But 1 ounce?
No, right. Now, if you had your
Okay,
little
we're taking
Pampered
away it.
scale, you could weigh it.
I know, I want the Pampered.
That's one thing. Or do you want me to grate it in here?
Yeah, just grate it in here. And you
Push down on it.
just press down on that. Now there's this that you can use to grate cheese, or there's the microplane, and there's the fine, and then the larger, which I don't have yet, but will one day. And what's next after the cheese? What's
Okay,
next
what's
after
after
the
cheese?
cheese?
Processed garlic